A lot of clouds in our valley skies, a few breaks for sunshine this afternoon, but clouds really kind of dominated this day, and likely they're going to continue to do that. Future track indicates that clouds stick around all night. You know, it's hinting at a brief shower, but I think it's just reacting to all the moisture. Humidity levels are really high in the low levels of the atmosphere, and while there won't be any precipitation, I can't rule out, some of that misty fog, something like that. But that burns off quickly. By tomorrow afternoon, we're back to mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures warming up. Thursday, same kind of thing. It's a mix of clouds and sun, probably pretty heavy on the cloud side of the mix again on Thursday. And that goes for Friday as well, but I think we're dry. I think we're rain-free Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The next chance for showers will show up over the weekend again. These are the current temperatures: 88 in McAllen, 95 in Rio Grande City, 85 in Port Isabel, so pretty good range across the valley. Low temperatures tonight are going to bottom out in the mid to upper 70s. These are July-like, August-like lows, very warm, very humid. Then tomorrow afternoon, not quite August-like. We're back in the 90s, but not close to 100, at least not for most of the valley. Normal high is 87. We're going 91 each of the next 3 days. We don't see anything to cool it off, but look at the records. It can really get hot this time of year. Not going to get quite that warm. Rest of Texas pretty warm as well. 95 right now in Laredo, 94 in Del Rio, 82 up in the Panhandle in Dalhart. I want to show you where the action's happening today. A lot of moisture feeding up into the nation's midsection, and we've got strong storms now firing up from Kansas up into Nebraska. We'll switch this over to radar. The red is a tornado watch. The yellow, severe thunderstorm watches, and embedded within that a few tornado warnings. We had one just to the south of Hays, Kansas earlier. That one now looks like it's gone back to a severe thunderstorm. A lot of chasers out watching that one and the one to the north as well. There's your severe weather risk for tonight. You can see that area right there just east of Hays, Kansas. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 5. That means a high risk, or a moderate risk rather, of severe thunderstorms in that area. Tomorrow that risk shifts eastward. There's Kansas City, so areas just north of that have a moderate risk and even an enhanced risk for a big portion of that part of the country. Here's what's going on. A dry line right in here, moist air on this side of it, dry air on this side of it. Where they come together, that's where they meet, and farther to the north there's a strong jet stream. That combination gives them that potential for severe thunderstorms, and that potential exists really all the way down into Texas tomorrow to west of Del Rio. That dry line kind of hangs in there for another day or so, but then finally a cool front catches up with it. That becomes the focal point on Thursday for shower and thunderstorm development, but the front's still north of us on Friday. Thunderstorms in the middle of Texas, but nothing here. By Saturday, the front starts to push southward. I think it comes in Saturday night. Could trigger shower, maybe a thunderstorm Saturday night, lingering into Sunday. And then after that, the chance of rain will go away again for early next week. Here's a look at temperatures across the state tomorrow. In the morning, 77 here, but most of the state in the 70s. So warm, humid air spreading northward across Texas. And tomorrow afternoon, there are those storms developing again way up north. So for us for tonight, mainly cloudy, warm, humid, 76 for a low, southeasterly winds. And tomorrow, breezy, very warm, 91, very humid, southeast winds at 12 to 25. We go 91, 91, 91 the next 3 days. We go down just a little bit Saturday and Sunday. We introduce that chance for a couple of thunderstorms right now. It's looking like about 30%, I think, Saturday into Sunday. The best chance right now, Saturday night into early Sunday, and then Monday and Tuesday look drier once again. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.